matter.
So let us see, today we are going to determine the viscosity of 1% ethanol and 1% methanol. We know that number of factors affecting on the viscosity.
Yes.
One of the factors is that chain of hydrocarbon. Okay, there are a number of factors: temperature, then pressure, then concentration, then type of solvent, and one more is that what? The chain of hydrocarbon. So we will compare today how the chain of hydrocarbon is going to affect on the viscosity. Because the ethanol and methanol, CH3, CH2OH, ethanol, and CH3OH, ethanol. So one of the more hydrocarbon is there. Hydrocarbon means carbon and hydrogen. So one of the more CH2 will present in ethanol. So let's compare today the viscosity of ethanol and methanol. So what are the requirements are there? Of course, we are taking the distilled water. Then ethanol is there. We will prepare the solution of ethanol, 1% ethanol and 1% methanol will be. Standard in class. Yes. We have taken about 50 ml and this is a
Viscometer.
What is this?
Ostwal Viscometer.
So this Viscometer is nothing but U-shaped glass tube.
Yes.
Where lower bulb and upper bulb. These two bulbs are connected through the uniform thin
Capillary.
This is a uniform thin capillary.
Capillary.
Correct? And there are two markings, upper marking and
Lower marking.
And we have to measure the time of flow of liquid from upper marking to lower marking. That we also call efflux time. Efflux time. Flow time. For the transfer of liquid from to this capillary. Diameter of this capillary is millimeters.
Millimeter.
Viscosity is the internal resistance to flow the liquid. Yes. Today we are going to determine the relative viscosity. How relative viscosity? Because we are taking water as a reference and standard liquid and other liquids are there. And these liquids are, we are preparing the solution in water. So we are doing the binding the viscosity of water solution. Water soluble liquids. Let's prepare first our 1% alcohol solution, 1% methanol by volume. Preparing the solution by volume by volume, 1% solution. So how to prepare 1% solution of ethanol? Tell me. Very good. 1 ml in 100 ml of distilled water. Yes, very good. Absolutely right. 1 ml of ethanol in 100
ml distilled water.
That is 1% volume by volume. This is a graduated preparation. Okay, so we will take 0.5 ml of alcohol in each glass. For 50 ml and 100 ml. 0.5. Okay, correct. We are going to measure the time of flow of distilled water for distilled water. Then we will compare with liquids. So, how much quantity we have to take the sufficient volume, but definite volume for all liquids. सब लिक्विड के लिए वॉल्यूम सेम होना चाहिए कि ये कितना बल्ब छोटा है बड़ा है depend on this we will take because every viscometer having different size of this bulb. Transfer the 10 ml of this water. Don't take more than 10 ml. And see, transfer the liquid from lower bulb side and suck the liquid from this rubber tube. And upper mark is where? This is upper mark. Okay? So we'll adjust the first and then we will start the stopwatch. Start the stopwatch.
everything owes its existence solely and completely to sound.
जितना आप अच्छे से एक्यूरेसी से करोगे उतना रीडिंग अच्छा आएगा। सिंगल ड्रॉप विल आल्सो चेंज द विस्कोसिटी। क्योंकि विस्कोसिटी एक्चुअली इसी का है अल्कोहल वाटर से।
Now we have to rinse the viscometer with the same liquid, that is methanol.
कितने पहुंच गए मंजिल पर राहों को पछाड़ के, कितने बैठे हैं राहों में रो रहे हैं हार के। रुको कभी ना हार के, सांसें नहीं उधार पे, मिटते शोक मनाने वाले जिंदा कभी ना हार पे। माना तूने संघर्ष किया, संघर्ष बड़ा दुर्धर्ष किया, हार से क्यों घबराता है, कर मन खाली जाता है। जिसको कुछ करना होता वो हार का बोझ न ढोता है। रणभूमि बीच खड़ा होकर न खड़ा खड़ा यूं रोता है। राहें कभी बंद न होती, राही खुद रुक जाते हैं। बहुत हार पर आकर रुकते, कुछ आगे बढ़ जाते हैं। माना
So what is our observation? Our observation is one. viscosity of ethanol is more than methanol and more than
Water.
So we can understand one CH2 group increase the viscosity of chemical organic compound. One CH2 group, one hydrocarbon group. This is your CH3, CH2OH. Only one CH3 is going to change. And that's why its viscosity has to change.
धर्ष बड़ा तुर धर्ष किया, हार से क्यों घबराता है, कर्म न खाली जाता है।